My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Toyota RAV4. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 59,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. To the left of our screen, we can access our home, menu, audio and map. On the right we have phone and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as 3 different driving modes to choose from and our EV mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.